Welcome everybody, this is a tutorial especially for incoming students that want to study at Fontys, that have already registered in Mobility Online and want to proceed with their workflow. I will briefly explain what you see here and what you have to do. Probably, as it is in this example, this is a test student, this box is already ticked. So, you can proceed with the next step. And the next step is a copy of a valid passport uploaded. You can see behind each step who's the responsible person to take the step. So in this case it is the student. So you'll have to upload a valid copy of your passport, which is quite easy, I think. And if you have uploaded one on your computer, you've scanned your passport and you have the file on your computer, you can upload it by clicking on this link, and then you will be able to upload the file into Mobility Online. And then afterwards the box will be ticked as well. So the next step is the motivation letter, which is actually the same procedure. After you've ticked this box, a new link will become available. You'll be able to click it, just like you did on this one, and you'll be able to upload the motivation letter you wrote. Afterwards, you also have to upload your language proof, which is the proof that you are on the certain language level that is required by the Fontys school that you applied for. Also, and I get some questions about this, you need to upload your transcript of records. The transcript of records is a transcript of records from your home university. So that's the records that you already have. Some students ask me, do I need to upload the records from Fontys University? But this is quite impossible because you have not studied at Fontys yet, so you won't be able to access any records. So this is the records from your home university, from your own university. Then, after you've taken all these steps, you'll have to wait for Fontys to accept your application. And I want to ask you, if you don't hear anything about this and until after halfway, let's say after the deadline, 1 or 2 weeks after the deadline for your application, if you have not heard anything, please email mobilityonline@fontys.nl so we can help you and figure out why your Fontys school has not accepted your application yet. So this is a step you have to wait for. You can't really do anything here. After that, you can create your learning agreement. Now, how do you find what you can fill in on your learning agreements? This is found on the website that you also went to when you had to apply in Mobility Online for the first time. This is www.fontys.edu. And if you go to short programs and then exchange programs, you can see what our offer is, and then you can see what the name of the course is. And it says that the course title, course code is optional. So if it doesn't, there's no course unit code on the website, you don't have to fill it in. And just fill in the name of the course. If the course consists of different subjects, you can also fill in all the different subjects. After you created your learning agreement, you submit it, and your Fontys school has to look at it and accept it, so you can't do anything here. Then, after they have accepted it, you'll have to print it and let it, you have to sign it yourself. Your own university has to sign it, and Fontys University of Applied Sciences have to sign it. So after you have printed your learning agreement and signed it and let your university sign it, you can scan it in and then send an email to the contact person of the Fontys school you applied for, and then ask them if they want to sign it as well and send it back to you by email, and then you can upload the signed learning agreement. After that, you'll have to print your enrollment form and fill it in, get signatures as well, and then upload it again. So it's the same sort of procedure as with your learning agreement. And then probably one of the last things is fill in your accommodation form and take a look at the date. This is the date from last semester, so this is when you apply for the spring semester. The deadline is December 15 in this case, but always take a look at your own workflow, because the right deadline will be in there, and take notice that you really have to fill in the accommodation, the accommodation form before the deadline, because afterwards you will be too late. So pay attention to that. And then the last thing is that if you need to make any changes to the learning agreement, you can do that. So you get the possibility to do that. You don't have to do it, only if you need to. Okay, so that was a really quick walkthrough through Mobility Online, and I hope everything is clear to you now, and if anything is not, please let me know. Good luck with the Mobility Online, and thank you for watching.